Hello, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen with another recipe. Today's recipe is going to be creamy shrimp and pasta salad. Ingredients required for the preparation of shrimp and pasta salad are as follows. I'm going to use 500 grams of pasta. Cook the pasta with provided instructions or cook the pasta with salted boiling water. To make the cooking easy, I've already washed all my vegetables and all the ingredients that we're gonna add to the pasta. And then we're now going to start with adding the chopped cucumbers in the pre-cooked pasta. I'm going to add in some red chopped onions together with some spring onions with the cooked chopped carrots. Guys, whatever you don't want in, you don't need to add it in. I'm now going to add in the pre-cooked mini shrimps. If you want, you can use tiger shrimps, it's up to you. I like the mini ones, it tastes very good. And now give it a toss gently until everything is combined. Add in your preferred seasoning. I am going to add in some salad dressing with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. You can press in half lemon if you want to. I have already chopped some onions soaked in vinegar. That's what I'm going to use to season the lettuce. That's why I don't want to add in lemon. I have added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of crème fraîche and then toss together everything. And we'll soon get that beautiful and creamy shrimp and pasta salad. Wow, look at that. We've got a very beautiful and creamy pasta salad. I'm now going to add in frozen dill because I forgot to buy fresh dill. You can add in if you want to. It's better when you have like fresh dill. It tastes more good and it tastes very fresh together with the salad. Toss until well combined. A creamy shrimp and pasta salad is now complete and ready to be served. Look at that, look how beautiful it looks. Creamy and tasty, easy and delicious. If you want it very creamy, you may add additional mayonnaise and crème fraîche or either one of the two. It's up to you. For garnishing, I'm going to use tomato with fresh curly leaf parsley together with grilled paprika. Finely chop the curly leaf parsley. If you want, you can grill your bell pepper in the oven. Then after, we're going to chop the grilled paprika. It's going to give it a very beautiful and appetizing color. Look at that. We chop it very thin so we can sprinkle it all over the pasta. I now arrange the lettuce on a spacious platter or any of your choice. I'm using mixed salad, and then in the middle I'm going to lay in some Morocco salad. to make the platter beautiful. This recipe is very easy, simple, and healthy because the pasta is accompanied with the salad, so it's like a balanced diet. We now lay the creamy pasta and shrimp salad on top of the lettuce, and then we decorate, garnish with tomatoes, plum tomatoes, and then the sprinkle over the cauli leaf parsley. You can even garnish with dill, chopped dill. It goes perfectly well. And then we lay on the eggs too, the cooked eggs. And then on the side, I'm going to garnish with just one tomato. I now sprinkle the chopped grilled paprika on top to give it that colorful and attractive look. Look at that. Wow, guys, this is a mouth-watering recipe. I'm telling you, it's very tasty and fresh, appetizing and delectable. We now lay a tomato on the side and then garnish it with some of the cauli leaf parsley to bring out that beautiful look. You can cook any favorite pasta of your choice. It's up to you. And guys, this is the best creamy shrimp and pasta salad you can make. I promise you. Try it and you'll never stop doing it. And I want you to hit the comment box and tell me how it tastes after you have tried it. I'm really interested to hear from you guys. This is all what I have for you today from Jestina's kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And if this is your first time into my channel, do subscribe to help my channel grow. See you next week in another edition. Take care of yourself. Bye. I love you all and stay blessed. Thank you for watching.